Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you a chill-out cabin in a 40-foot shipping container near Edinburgh, Scotland, United Kingdom. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern container rental. Good, welcome back. This chill-out shipping container is located in the beautiful Scottish borders, 20 miles from Edinburgh. The Wee Sanctuary is situated overlooking a nature reserve with the rolling hills beyond. This unique converted container is the ideal place to chill out, kick back, and connect with nature. This vacation rental is made from a single 40-foot high cube container. The house is comfortable and is offering a spacious bedroom with a comfy bed, a small compact kitchen, a bathroom, and a living space. The floor-to-ceiling windows make the most of the stunning views and lets the light flood into the snow-white interior space. It's amazing waking up to the gorgeous Scottish view every morning and watching the stars from the bed at night. Blinds can be drawn for a great night's sleep. A spacious bedroom with a comfy bed, under the bed storage, and a large window that offers breathtaking views to wake up to every morning. A stylish bathroom is at the end of the container. It features a toilet and a stylish shower fitted with a white door. A small kitchen with adequate overhead storage shelves and stainless steel appliances lines part of the rear wall, creating enough room for open living and unobstructed movement. In addition, the large glazed openings can be opened wide to provide adequate natural ventilation and daylighting, creating a good, relaxing atmosphere during good weather. The entire home opens up to become a livable indoor-outdoor space. With brand new solid hardwood floors, floor-to-ceiling windows, the home has been remodeled to embrace both comfort and elegance. Even though the bedroom is small, it feels welcoming and spacious thanks to the minimalist interiors and the floor-to-ceiling windows. The container home is fully insulated with flame effect heater for extra warmth. The walls are painted white to make the space look brighter and bigger, creating that illusion of a large space. The large doors open out to a south-facing deck made from reclaimed timber, the perfect spot to enjoy the wildlife or just watch the clouds pass by. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, which adds to the industrial vibe of the cabin. This beautiful container cabin is listed as a rental on Airbnb starting at $78 per night. Feel free to check it out through the link in the description below. We love the minimalist interiors and the high quality finishes used in this cabin. Which part of this amazing cabin appeals you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe and see you in the next video.